Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. Now the topic is Act on Transparency in Fee Regulation Fixation notified this month. New law, new concerns, schools and parents worry how fee caps will work. Now, the Delhi government has notified a new law called the Delhi School Education DSE Transparency in Fixation and Regulation of Fees Act 2025. The aim of this law is to control unreasonable fee increases and bring transparency in how fees are decided by private unaided schools. Now, under this law, more than 1500 private unaided schools will come under a 3-level fee regulation system. Now, schools must justify any fee increase by showing their income and expenses. A school level fee regulation committee SLFRC will be formed in every school, and parents will get representation in fee related decisions as well. Schools have to prepare 3-year budget projects also. However, both schools and parents are worried by this. Schools say that future costs are uncertain and difficult to predict. Parents fear that transparency may exist only on paper and may not actually help in reality. There are concerns about the implementation, trust, and the enforcement of this law. Overall, the law is meant to protect parents, but its success depends on how honestly and strictly this law will be implemented. Now, let us understand the notification. The notification of the Delhi School Education Transparency on Fixation and Regulation of Fees Act 2025 this month has been set up as a step forward addressing long-standing concerns over the cost of education in the capital's private schools. Now, increases in fees, often announced suddenly and explained inadequately, have provoked litigation and street protests by the parents. Also, the new law brings more than 1500 private unaided schools into the 3-tier framework of regulation of fees and promises parents a seat at the table. And yet, as schools begin to draw up budgets for the next academic year, this skepticism over the way the law will work and whether regulation on paper will translate into relief reality. Now there have been other things as well, like the new system could lead to friction with parents who may not be able to see the big picture. The principal said. Principal Sudha Acharya of ITL Public School in Dwarka said that her school was waiting for the clear instructions from the government. From several parents, the act's biggest promise lies in its seems transparency, and the bigger risk is how the transparency is evoked. And thus, the new law brings more than 1500 private unaided schools into the 3-tier framework. And again, this topic becomes highly relevant for UPSC. Let us understand why. The UPSC relevance of this topic is for GS paper 2 it becomes highly relevant. Governance and social justice for GS paper 3 it becomes highly important for inclusive development, and for governance issues also. For prelims angles, this topic becomes highly important because private unaided schools, fee regulation mechanisms, and school level regulatory committees are also there. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.